LG Nexus 5X Screen Replacement Guide. Warning: you are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you will need a plastic triangle opening tool, small Phillips screwdriver, nylon spudger, SIM card ejection tool, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun. Power down your LG Nexus 5X smartphone. Remove the nano SIM card tray. Use the plastic triangle opening tool to work around the rear cover and release the plastic clips securing it in place. Remove the following 10 Phillips screws, securing the Nexus 5X midframe in place. Use the triangle opening tool to assist in removing the midframe. Detach the Nexus 5X battery from the motherboard. The 3.8-volt, 2700 mAh battery is secured in place with some light adhesive. Carefully pry it up and out of the Nexus 5X. Use the nylon spudger to carefully pry up the rear-facing and front-facing cameras. And then detach the display assembly cable. With the cable detached and the cameras free, remove the LG Nexus 5X motherboard. Use the fine tip curved tweezers to remove the earpiece speaker. Peel up the display assembly cable. Use the heat gun to warm up the adhesive securing the LG Nexus 5X display assembly to the frame. With the precision knife, create separation. And insert a plastic triangle opening tool to start slicing through the adhesive. Take your time and apply additional heat as needed. Once you have sliced through the adhesive, be mindful of the ribbon cable when removing the display assembly from the frame. Remove the following two speaker grills from the display assembly. You'll need to transfer them to the new Nexus 5X replacement screen. All of the replacement parts and repair tools used in this video are available at www.DIYMobileRepair.com. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.